So let's now take a quiz over what we've learned about deserts. So question number 1, deserts are defined to be in areas that receive less than how much water per year? And the answer is C, less than 25 centimeters of water per year. Question number 2, which one of the following statements about deserts is accurate? So do they have infrequent desert rains that are often heavy? Is that true? Yes. Do they consist of mile after mile of sand dunes? Not necessarily. So they can, but there are some deserts that don't even have any sand. Wind is the most important erosional agent? No, it turns out to be water. Deserts are lifeless or almost lifeless? No, there's actually plants and animals that can live in deserts. Question number 3. Rain shadow deserts occur on which side of the mountain? So it's either going to be leeward or windward. So if you've got a mountain and then the wind is coming from this side over here, this is the windward side. And then on this side over here, when it comes back down, this would be the leeward side. So rain shadow deserts occur on the leeward side of mountains. Number 4, why are these bushes sticking up out of the ground? So this is an example of deflation. And so originally the surface of the ground was up here, and then you had a bush, and then the bush had a root system, and then erosion takes away all of this material. So now the surface of the land is down to here, but now you've got the bush and it's on top of a pillar because that's all that was able to withstand the force of the wind. Okay, then question number 5, where did the water go in this playa? So some of the water could have sunk into the ground, but the majority of it just evaporated away. So it's an evaporated lake. Under what conditions does this type of sand dune form? So this one is called a Barchan sand dune. And if you look at the chart back here and you read what it has to say about that particular kind of sand dune, it says that it occurs under conditions of moderate amount of sand, a continuous direction that the wind is blowing from, and then a hard surface that the wind is blowing across. Number 7. During a drought in the 1930s, dust storms periodically blackened the sky in a large portion of this region, which became to be called the Dust Bowl. So that occurred in the Great Plains region. All right, so that finishes our discussion of deserts. So join me again for another episode about Introduction to Geology. Bye.